Bonjour les élèves, good morning students. Today we are going to see the translation. On va voir la traduction, okay, de la leçon numéro 2. So le titre est en classe, in the classroom. Okay, so we have 3 dialogues here. Okay, so we are going to see the first conversation. Okay, so it is between Rima and Rinku. Okay, so I am going to read line by line and give you the meaning in English so that you can follow the conversation. Okay, so you have to involve in that conversation so that you will understand. Okay, so bonjour à tous. Salut Rima, c'est qui? C'est Sarah, elle est américaine. Salut Sarah, je m'appelle Rima. Okay, so this is a small conversation for introducing themselves between friends. Okay, so bonjour à tous. Good morning to all. Hi Rima, who is this? C'est qui means who is this? So Rima is introducing her friend Sarah. Okay, so c'est qui? C'est Sarah. Elle est américaine. It's Sarah. She is American. Okay, we are going to learn also the nationalities. Okay, salut Sarah. Hi Sarah. My name is Rima. Okay, so hi Sarah. My name is Rima. It's a small conversation. It is very easy for you to understand. Okay, we are going to go for the next dialogue. Élève, professeur, Sarah. Okay, so the students, the professor and Sarah. So they are inside the classroom. Ils sont dans la classe. So vous avez les élèves, le professeur et Sarah. Okay? So bonjour madame. Bonjour madame. Good morning madam. I am going to read first in French. Then I am going to tell you line by line in English. Okay? Bonjour madame. Bonjour à tous. Ah, c'est toi la nouvelle élève? Oui madame. Je m'appelle Sarah. Ah bon, épelle ton nom s'il te plaît. S-A-R-A-H S-A-M-U-E-L. Sarah Samuel. Tu as quel âge? 16 ans. Mais tu es jeune. Okay? So we are going to tell the meaning for this. Good morning madam. Bonjour madam. It's a lady professor. Okay? She entered the classroom. Okay? So bonjour madam. If I am entering the classroom, we are going to tell good morning ma'am, isn't it? So in French we are going to say bonjour madam. We are going to wish our professor. And I am going to tell you also bonjour à tous. Good morning to all. Okay? And I am going to tell you, it's you the new student. Okay? C'est toi la nouvelle élève. If I am having a new student in the classroom, you are going to ask her. Okay, it's you the new student. Oui, madame. And the student is going, Sarah is answering, yes, ma'am. Oui, madame. Yes, ma'am. My name is Sarah. My name is Sarah. Le professeur. Bon. Good. So, spell your name, please. So, some of them don't know the spelling of the students. If you are having some doubt, they are going to say, what is your spelling of your name? Okay. So, she is going to spell her name into letters. Okay. So, next, professor. Tu as quel âge? How old are you? Okay. So, tu as quel âge? 16 years old. But you are young. So, maybe the girl is very young for her age. Okay. So, I hope it is clear for you. Vous avez compris? Oui. On va passer à la dialogue C. Dialogue C. Anita, Sarah. Okay, so both are having a conversation. Okay, so bonjour Sarah. Tu aimes l'Inde? Good morning Sarah. You like India? Oui, beaucoup. Tu habites où? J'habite à Saint-Anne, près de la plage. C'est où ça? Tu connais la grande église? C'est juste derrière. Quelle langue tu parles? L'anglais. Okay, it's a small conversation also. So Anita is asking, good places. Où? Tu habites où? You live where? So I live in Saint-Anne. Okay, I live in Saint-Anne near the beach. Okay, so we saw also près de in the grammar parts. Okay, so c'est où ça? Where is it? This. Okay, so where is Saint-Anne? She's asking. So Sarah is telling, you know the big church? Tu connais la grande église? It is just behind. Behind. We also saw also the preposition of places. Okay. C'est juste derrière. It is just behind. Okay. So which language do you speak? If you have a new friend, you will ask her, do you speak French, English or Tamil? What language she knows? Okay. So she told that l'anglais. I speak English. Okay. I hope it is clear for the three dialogues. Okay. So, j'espère que vous avez compris. Et la leçon numéro 2, c'est terminé. Okay. The lesson number 2 is over for this. You will have a small test about the lesson 1 and 2. Okay. So, student, be careful when you are going to write the translation in English. Okay. So, read that in your house. See line by line and go for your translation and your grammar for your test. Okay, so merci beaucoup. J'ai fini.
So here you have one activity exercise. Okay, so last class we saw the verb pronominal verb and normal verb. Okay, so here you have se présenter and s'appeler. So I gave you two verbs. Okay, so you have the verb in the tabular column. Okay, so you are going to write the correct verb. So do this activity in your classwork. Okay. Yes, so I hope you understood how to conjugate a pronominal verb and a normal verb. Okay, so we already saw the conjugation of a pronominal verb and the normal verb. Okay, so you're going to do this activity and see for the next activity, compléter la description. So you have a boy and a girl. Okay, so you're going to fill up. Okay, so let me explain the passage. Bonjour, je m'appelle. Okay, so good morning, my name is. So you're going to write his name, Jack. So first part is for Jack, second part is for Julie. Okay, so bonjour, je m'appelle Jacques. Je dash brun. Brun, it's a brown color. Okay, so I am brown. Je suis. J'ai les cheveux. So how is my hair color? Okay, et les yeux marron and brown eyes. Je porte une veste. So what is the color of his coat? Okay, so I am wearing a dash coat color. Okay, and a dash white. So in chemise. So we are saying coat color and shirt color. Shirt means chemise. Okay, so you are going to write chemise. CHEMISE. Okay, blanche. Okay, et un pantalon and a blue pant. Okay, je porte des chaussures. So I am wearing black shoes, noir. Okay, so next one, Julie. Bonjour. So you are going to fill up. Je m'appelle Julie. Je suis une fille. Okay, so I am a girl. J'ai les cheveux. What are the colors? And blue eyes. I am wearing a blue frock and des red shoes. Okay, des chaussures rouges. Okay, so you are going to do this activity. Okay, so I hope you understood how to write. See, you have to find out the words. What are the words that we have to write in the fill-ups? Okay, so I hope you understood. Do well. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask me in my class. Okay, so I hope it is clear. The conjugation of a pronominal verb and the normal verb. So, se présenter, the topic is to introduce ourselves. Okay, so we saw in the lesson, se présenter. So, they are introducing ourselves in the class or with friends, or to introduce to someone. Présenter quelqu'un, to introduce someone. Okay, so you're going to do this two activity in your classwork. Okay, so you're going to write the translation in English, and those who are not having the book, English to French and French to English, both you have to write and do this activity and do the given assignment. Thank you. Merci.